what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am cleaning my beauty room because it's just so messy after a days of filming and I just need to clean it. So if you like videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So y'all, this is my hair closet where I keep all my hair products, hair tools, and just some extra storage. So if you guys would like a tour on that, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll make that happen for you. Y'all, so while I was taking those brushes out of the drying station, they ended up breaking and I was a little annoyed by that. And I was debating if I wanted to throw them away, which I ended up doing, as you all saw in the video. But after I finished recording this video, I took them out because I remembered that I had a hot glue gun. So I'm just going to fix them and use them again. Well, after I clean them, of course. right, y'all, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, and if you like videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Also comment down below and let me know that you want to see more videos like this. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure you do so. Also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And y'all, I was trying to write inside my planner, but I realized that it didn't have the month of May. It started at July, so I was a little upset about that, but it's okay. And I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye.